Hi, my son name is Suryansh. Suryansh is studying from last 2 years in the Little Genesis, and before he was not trying to eat food also, and he was not very active also, but now he's become super active and super smart also. Thank you Little Genesis also that my baby is become a super intelligent and super smart. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, teachers also as well. Thank you.
We are Anvi's parents. I'm Vidya and he is Mohan. Kid is in the Little Genesis. Past 2 years, she has grown confident, and the way they groom there, it's too good. I will tell most of the parents to make the children to come to the Little Genesis.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Anvi. I'm studying in nursery. I'm Little Genesis group. My teacher name is Susmita. I got my Saima ma'am. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Thank you Anita ma'am for inviting me as a chief guest. Play school is very important to build the future of your child, the love, the care that is being given in the school. I ensure you that it's the best. Teachers, the principal Anita ma'am and all the working staff put in their best effort to create the future of the child. Thank you so much Anita ma'am. It was a wonderful day, a wonderful morning. The annual day was very, very nice. It was organized so well, and most importantly, today's technology, that is mobile, what has been portrayed in the annual day was put up very, very well. Thank you so much. My daughter has been coming to this school since last 3 years. I have seen really a great development in my child. She is very good in her vocabulary and she is very good with her pronunciations and all. And the school environment and the teachers and Anita ma'am, especially the support is really awesome. And today the celebration, every year I have been attending the annual function for her school, and every year I have seen a great development in the programs, in the curriculums, everything. So thanks will be a blessed thing if I say. All-round development for my student, for my daughter, and she's been doing very well. Thanks for the foundation, for building the foundation for my daughter. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Ganesh from Apollo Cradle and Children Hospital. So we have been associated with prestigious Little Genesis Preschool since 2022 as a healthcare partner. Come to the Apollo Cradle and Children Hospital. We are the #1 women and children hospital in India. So we are at Jayanagar 5th block opposite to Rayarmat. We are providing gynecological, obstetrics and pediatric services. We are there for 24/7 and we are giving pediatrics, gynecological and obstetrics and 3-level neonatal intensive care, and also we are providing dermatology and oncology and pediatric surgery, pediatric ENT, these services. Please, anyone need if any gynec or pediatric services, please do visit Apollo Cradle and Children Hospital. We are there to support you 24/7. Thank you Little Genesis Preschool for the opportunity to introduce ourselves, and we are there to support you as a healthcare partner. Thank you so much.
I'm Colonel Dinesh Mudri. In fact, I'm extremely happy to be here on this occasion when they are celebrating their annual day here. In fact, Mrs. Anita Gupta took over the school from us, and it was Little Pandas earlier, and now it has been renamed and rechristened as Little Genesis. And I'm extremely happy to know that she has already opened 3 branches in Bangalore. The way she is going, I'm sure in the years to come, she will have many branches here. I think most of it is due to her dedication, hard work and professionalism that has probably drawn most parents to the school that she has been building over the last couple of years. I wish her all the best, and I'm sure in the days ahead we'll see number of branches not only in Bangalore but all over Karnataka mushrooming. Little Genesis is a very good brand. I'm sure the parents and the children will benefit from the education expertise that she has in the years to come. So nice to be here, and I'm extremely happy, privileged to be here. I thank Ms. Anita Gupta once again for having invited me to be a part of their function. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Sharat Kulkarni and my wife name is Chandana. My son Darshik Kulkarni is studying in UKG at Little Genesis. Experience has been very good. He has improved a lot. The education as well as the activities by the teachers are very proactive. They engage the children in a very good manner. It's been overall a very good experience. I would say all the best for the institutions, and wish them to have a bright future with the other kids coming into the school. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, this is Anita here. I'm the owner of the Vajralli branch. We took a franchisee of Little Genesis last year. Anita Gupta was the head. So she is very supportive, and she used to give us so much of guidance, and we are running our branch very nicely, and I don't know how to thank her for this academic year. She has helped her in everything, every moment and every step she has taken up, and she is not thinking that this is the branch, that is the branch. She is doing like all, it is the same. So thank you for her giving support.
Hi, I'm Suchitra. I'm a certified special educator. I work for children with challenges. Little Genesis preschool I met 3-4 years ago, just before Corona. Before approaching Little Genesis, I met around 4 to 5 preschools where there was no acceptance for our special kids who are little concerned children. But lately I was able to meet Anita, where we both came together. And this was a program that we started and which is running very successfully from past 3 years. And we have one more branch that has come now. Even there we are getting a good reviews from parents everywhere. So it's been working very good coordinatedly, both me and Anita. So overall I would always suggest Little Genesis preschool for any preschoolers. It can be children with concerns or without concerns. I always recommend. I am very happy to be part of the Little Genesis always.
Very good afternoon to everyone. I'm Anita Gupta. I'm founder director of Little Genesis Preschool and Daycare. Little Genesis Preschool, it was my dream, and I can resonate, and I brought my dream to a picture. It was not a very simple or easy task to raise and bring a branch into market. It needs a lot of effort and dedication, and challenges are there. But our teacher, my team, and people around me, they support me, and how different we are. That is what I want to talk to everyone. We generally not only focus on academic part of the child. We focus here of the upbringing of the child. Today's era, parents face many difficulties like managing screen time, socializing. Child is not speaking, they are introvert. So we focus on other skills also. We try to give platform for each and every child where they can develop independency, resilience, and grow as an individual. And for me, education is not about getting certificate like I have this degree and that degree. Unless and until we bring a change, we create a personality which will be helping our community and our country. Education has that diverse circle. So we are here to build that kind of diversity in our children, where they are much more independent. They can think logically, and they develop their reasoning skills as well. So I I think I can resonate and relate very well what I had in my mind, and people around me, they are there to help me at any point on every point of time. Thank you so much.